Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assessing the degree of brass. Where is the orange most visible and how porous is the hair? Once done, mix a blue-based or purple-based toner with 10-20 volume developer depending on porosity. More porous hair needs gentler developer. Make sure to do a strand test for 10-15 minutes so you can predict lift and neutralization. Apply to dry hair sections immediately after the test confirms desirable toning. Work from mid-lengths to ends where brass is strongest. You now section the hair into 4-6 parts and work in half-inch subsections for uniform application. Start where the brass is worst, usually mid-lengths and ends, and avoid saturating roots unless you intend to lift them. Once applied, massage through to ensure even distribution, then watch development closely, checking every 3-5 minutes. If the toner is blue-based for orange, you'll see quick neutralization. Purple counters yellow. Make sure to follow product timing to prevent overtoning and You finish by rinsing thoroughly with cool water until the runoff is clear, then apply a color-safe moisturizing conditioner to close the cuticle. Once towel dried, evaluate the tone. If still too brassy, you can reapply toner for a short 5-7 minute touch-up. If overly cool, blend with a deep conditioner to soften the cast. Make sure to advise the client or yourself to use purple shampoo weekly and alternate protein and moisture treatments to maintain neutralized, healthy hair.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.